Welcome all of you. I am Professor Sandeep Vidate, Kekewa College of Horticulture, Nashik. Now today we learn about cultivation of cabbage crop. First, botanical name of cabbage is Brassica oleracea, variety capitata. Its family is Cruciferaceae or Brassicaceae. Its origin in France or Mediterranean region. Edible portion or edible part of cabbage crop is its head. It is developed by the development of densely packed leaves around the growing point. Then cinegreen glucoside is responsible for flavor in cabbage, or it is a sulfur compound. Means in cabbage some flavor is occur or some flavor is come out due to the cinegreen compound, which is a sulfur compound. Then cabbage is also anti-cancer property due to the presence of indole 3 carbinol. Due to the indole 3 carbinol, the cabbage has anti-cancer property. Then climate. Cabbage is a cool season crop. That reason it requires very less temperature, which is ranges in between 13 to 16 degrees Celsius. It tolerant to frost climatic condition. Then soil. Cabbage generally grow mainly in wide range of soil, all types of soil, but higher yield and good quality of cabbage in a sandy loam soil, which is fertile, well drained in condition, and soil pH is 7 to 7.5. Then important varieties of cabbage according their season or according their duration. Some early and some late varieties of cabbage. First we study early varieties of cabbage. First is a golden acre. It is developed by IARI New Delhi, Indian Agriculture Research Institute at New Delhi. These are the important variety of cabbage. Golden acre. Its description: it has compact and round head. On an average weight of head is 1 to 2 kg. It is ready for harvest within a 70 to 18 days in a proper season. Second one is a pride of India. Then third, early drum head. Then fourth, Copenhagen market. It is ready for harvesting in between 19 to 100 days from transplanting, and head weight is 1.5 to 3 kg. Its Copenhagen market variety head is very compact as compared to other variety. Next one is Pusa Mukta. It is resistant to black rot disease. Then late varieties. First one is late drumhead. Second, Pusa drumhead. It is developed by IRI New Delhi. Next one, Pusa Ageti. Pusa Ageti, it is a high temperature resistant variety. This is the main characteristic of Pusa Ageti variety. Number of times asked in a exam, which variety of cabbage is a high temperature resistant or growing in a tropical climatic condition? That is a Pusa Ageti variety. The next point, propagation and its sowing. Generally, cabbage is mainly propagated by seed. The seed rate of cabbage for 1 hectare, that is 500 to 750 gram per hectare. Then planting season is Rabi and planting time is September to October month. And seed treatment, hot water at 15 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and Thiram at 2.5 gram per kg of seed. Then after seed treatment, we prepare the nursery bed, that is preparation of nursery. Nursery, that is 60 square meter area is sufficient for 1 hectare area. And in a nursery, we prepare the rice bed. Of a rice bed, ideal sizes, that is 5 meter in length, 1 meter in width and 0.15 meter height. That is 0.15 meter height or also 15 centimeter height of a nursery bed or a rice bed. On rice bed, we place seed at a proper depth, that is 1.5 centimeter, not below that. This is a very necessary to taking care at the time of preparation of nursery. Then after preparation of nursery, the seedlings are transplanted or ready for transplanting after 3 to 4 weeks into the main field. That means 3 to 4 weeks old seedlings used for transplanting. Then the transplanting at a proper spacing. Next point is the spacing and layout. The spacing is 45 by 30 centimeter, 60 by 45 centimeter. It is depend upon the variety, early or late. And also the planting method is ridges for general use, but sometimes flatbed method is also used for planting of or transplanting of cabbage seedling. Next point is manures and fertilizer. The manures, we apply the manures, organic manures, which is well decomposed at the time of last harrowing or at the time of land preparation, that is 25 to 30 tons FIM per hectare. Then fertilizer dose, that is 160 as to 80 as to 80 NPK kg per hectare. This fertilizer dose is split into two times, that is full dose of PNK and half dose of nitrogen at the time of transplanting, and remaining half dose of nitrogen after 1 month or 13 days after transplanting of cabbage seedling in a main field. And after fertilizer application, the next important point is irrigation. 8 and 10 days interval irrigation is necessary in a Rabi season. When head is fully developed, avoid irrigation, otherwise head will be split. If the head is fully developed or at a mature stage, at a harvesting stage, that time we stop the irrigation, otherwise the head will be split out. The next one, weeding. Weeding is depend upon the intensity of weed. We do weeding, but 15 to 20 days interval weeding is necessary, because weed is competition our main crop for fertilizer, irrigation, space, air, etc. Okay, that reason weeding is necessary. Next one is harvesting and yield. When head attain full size, early variety require harvesting or ready for harvesting within a 60 to 110 days, and late varieties are ready for harvesting 80 to 120 days after transplanting. Head color changes from dark green to light green. These are the natural indices of cabbage harvesting. Then yield is vary according to the cultivar, according to interculture operation, or according to cultivar, or according to varieties. That's on an average yield of cabbage varieties or cabbage crop is 20 to 30 tons per hectare. In seed production of cabbage, cabbage is a cross-pollinated crop. That reason we take necessary care for at the time of preparation of seed of cabbage, but it requires very cold climate during its seed production. The production only in a Kullu and Kashmir valley of Himalaya of our India or of our country. Thank you for watching this video.